again, Solis Wealth family. Greg Solis here with the update. First of all, I hope you all have a great Easter holiday and Passover with your family. I know I'm excited. All three of the kids are going to be in town, so we're looking forward to a great celebration. I hope you and your family have a great one as well. Market-wise, well, I figured we probably need to do these a little frequently right now because things are changing so quickly. It's just unbelievable. So we might do these every week for a little while just to kind of keep you abreast on what's going on because things, again, are changing rapidly. But it was a rough week. I mean, it's been a rough couple of months, obviously, but last week turned out to be one of the best weeks ever in the stock market. It was crazy to see what happened. We were it was incredible volatility. Volatility, literally one of the highest volatile times that we've ever seen. So this is very, very challenging. And the question is why? Well, there's an extraordinary amount of uncertainty out there with what's going on with the tariff policies and what's happening with, are we going to increase them, decrease them, what's going to go on with all this? And this is creating a tremendous amount of uncertainty for the markets and corporate America. Earnings are coming out, first quarter earnings are coming out, and the market's going to be looking for some guidance as they release the earnings of what they see for the next quarter. Well, nobody knows. And that is just creating a tremendous amount of volatility. And so it's hard to predict and project where these companies might be next quarter or 2 quarters from now or certainly a year from now. And this is driving the markets crazy. So we're seeing all kinds of movements, ups and downs like we've never seen. As you know, I've been doing this for over 32 years, and this has got to be one of the more volatile times we've ever seen. I know every week I say, well, it's going to be volatile, hang on, but even this has caught us off guard. This has been incredible volatility. Bottom line is, here we are. The economy still looks pretty strong. Inflation has come down a bit, which is good, but there's concern that this tariff inflation could be a problem. That's something we've been talking about. Stagflation would not be good. A slowing economy with rising inflation is not a good thing. We see an increase in potential recession coming. We've raised our odds that would be 30 to 40% perhaps that we might see a recession if we don't resolve some of these tariff issues. But again, incredible uncertainty. We just don't know, and it's making it very difficult to predict and project where we might be. Here we are from peak to trough right now. We got back, as you know, the NASDAQ was off about 25% peak to trough. The S&P 500 was down about 20. We're currently off about 12% on the S&P 500 and about 17% on the NASDAQ. So we did get some of that back, which was great to see. The challenge was the bond market started to struggle a little bit this last week, which wasn't good. We saw the 10-year Treasury go from about 4% up to about 4.4%, and we're hanging right around that 4.3 range. That saw the so-called aggregate bond index, which is an index that we watch to see how bonds are performing, go down about 2.5%. So now we're seeing the bond market sell off a little bit. That's not good, but the Fed did come out and say they would do what they need to do to support the bond market. So that gave us a little bump up in the bond prices, which was good to see. So overall, it's been a very volatile time, a very challenging time. There's a little bit of wait and see. Hang in there with it. Again, we're doing a lot behind the scenes to rebalance the portfolios back into alignment. Overall, again, we're holding up well, all things considered. But if you have questions or concerns, again, never hesitate to give us a call. We're being very active here. We got the whole team here. We got all hands on deck, and we're here for you if you need us. Again, my very best to you and your family through the holiday season. Talk to you real soon. Take care and God bless.